Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of January. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Aquarians for the last 15 days of January. Messages for Aquarians, please. So we have the Fool card with the Hangman, okay, and both of them were sticking to each other when I was trying to take out the first card. Okay, so we have the Two of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Four of Wands, the Knight of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Sun. Okay, the High Priestess, Ten of Pentacles. So you're manifesting a commitment, I guess, with the Judgment following next. Just pulled out one more card and it came out to be a Death card. What's this? The Eight of Swords, the Moon. I'm forced to take out the more cards because of one card which I felt like taking out, which was the Death card. Let's see. Anyway, finally we have the Wheel of Fortune. That's good. Okay, let's see. If I need, I'll take out more cards. Seemed to be a pretty good reading till I pulled out this card. Let's see, maybe it really has a message for you then. So we have the Fool card, the Hangman, and the Two of Swords. So what I feel is that you're trying to make a decision and you are preparing yourself. There is a situation which has been hanging on since a long time. It's stuck. It's a stagnant sort of a situation. But at some point in time, you do want to take a leap of faith with that. You want to begin it. You want to start this situation which is stuck since a long time actually. And these cards, they were just sticking together when I was pulling them out. And the energy which is I'm getting here is that you actually want to start something which is stagnant since a long time, whatever the situation is for you. And with the Two of Swords, yes, you are trying to make up your mind. You are contemplating and trying to decide, making up your mind, because basically you really want to. With the Hangman there, you are just trying to make up your mind still because you actually want to move ahead. Though the situation is not moving since a long time, it's stagnant. And with the Six of Pentacles being there, the Eight of Wands, and the Four of Wands. So there is definitely, you are trying to restore the balance, communicating, and with the Four of Wands, you are in for a relationship or a commitment. So whatever this situation is, which is hanging or stuck, which you are trying to make up your mind on, and you want to begin fresh in this relationship or this situation, you want a new beginning there. This seems to be a commitment over here, which you are trying to sort out or balance. With the Eight of Wands, there is a lot of communication, and with the Four of Wands, you are able to achieve this commitment here and the stability over here in this relationship. With the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Sun card, definitely there is a lot of passion in this situation. You are rushing in towards this, though that is what you want to. Though maybe you are not doing that. With the Page of Swords, you are perhaps taking small steps. But yes, you do have the clarity that this is the situation which actually gives you a lot of happiness. So here what I feel is you are able to get this commitment and you are rushing in towards this person or this situation which gives you a lot of clarity, and you're communicating with this person, and actually everything is giving you a lot of happiness basically. And here we have the High Priestess, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Judgment. First I'll see the what was this for. So what I feel here is that maybe this commitment with the Four of Wands here and with the Ten of Pentacles here, it is a, with a Judgment, it is a major decision which you have finally taken, and here maybe you're just communicating and manifesting it, and here you are actually doing it, or you've done it there. But whatever it is a major decision which you are taking using all your intuition. You're being very, very intuitive over here. Maybe you're not even rushing in, but yes, going slow perhaps, as I said, though you want to rush in, but you are going slow with the Page of Swords and taking small steps towards it, because you know your intuition says that this is your source of happiness, this is your happiness, this is where your happiness lies. Actually your intuition says that, and that is with the Ten of Pentacles. So it is a family, it is a commitment which you are making a major decision on over here. So the decision is definitely about a relationship over here, which you want to have a commitment and a family with. It brings you a lot of happiness. It's been stagnant since a long time, that is for sure. Now let's see what is this which I pulled without any reason. So with the Death card, the Eight of Swords, the Moon, the Devil, the Hermit, the Four of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. So it can be that the decision which you are taking was ending of a situation which was making you feel stuck. This is a major decision, as I said, and I was also thinking as to, doesn't seem to be so great or so blocked here. It was enough for one Hanged Man, but then we have the Judgment also, so it's something really significant. What I feel here is now that since you have realized that this is a source of your happiness, your intuition says that you want this commitment, and that is a decision you are taking, and you are ending something which was holding you back. With the Eight of, these cards were literal. You are ending a situation which was holding you back with the Moon card and the Devil card and the Hermit. So I think again with the Hermit, what I feel is, and the High Priestess there, you have really thought about it. You've been very, very intuitive about it. Perhaps this was because when you were, it can be that you felt isolated, you felt alone. Maybe you felt lonely in your life, and finally you made a decision that no, I need to move into this relationship. Because what I feel here is you're putting an end to a situation which was holding you back, and it's a good thing. It's a really a good thing. I actually, when I just saw this Death card, I was like, oh my god, what is it? But what I feel now here is the decision seems to be giving an end to a situation which was holding you back, though the things ahead are not very clear, and things were not clear with the things were holding you back. Was the reason the things were holding you back were that you really didn't know what will happen if I move ahead in that situation. It can be that also. So you were just becoming a prisoner of your thoughts, you were thinking. And with the Devil being there, what I feel is this was the controlling energy which was not letting you move forward. That's what I feel. Okay, so you're putting it into a situation which was holding you back since a long time. With the Moon and the Devil being there, situation was not very clear. You really didn't, perhaps you didn't know how to move ahead, or you really didn't know what will happen what will be the outcome of it, or there were n number of fears which were holding you back. And perhaps this has been a long time that you were being with the Devil being there perhaps, and with the Hangman here, it's been a long time that you are being trapped in this energy which is not letting you move forward, and you're putting an end to that. And here with the Hermit, you're using your intuition. Maybe you even felt lonely, as I don't know, I'm getting that vibe. You felt alone being over there stuck. With the Four of Cups here and with the Wheel of Fortune beingness, what I feel is you are thinking, since you are very upset over here, you want things to change. You want things to change, and that is what it is. With the Death card, you are putting an end to a situation which is holding you back since a long time, and maybe even repeatedly it causes you to be in that situation. With the Four of Cups, it's just being upset and you're not accepting anything from the universe. But now the things are changing, and that is why you are manifesting this new beginning, and you're taking a decision to manifest this relationship. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the guidance from this deck. What is the message from this deck for Aquarians? Again, the Five of Clubs. It is the Devil card of this deck. So don't be chained down, or don't let anything negative stop you, or don't let any past experiences stop you from moving ahead. You need to check that as to what is it which is holding you back from moving ahead in your life. What is the guidance from the angels, please? Messenger of emotion. This is a beginning of a new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you didn't know were developing. A social invitation could soon be on its way to you. There is a person involved who is very gentle and loving with the only kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if it's you're artistic, shy and sensitive. So it is a time of new beginnings. You just need to let go of your inner fears, accept the change which is coming in, and take the decisions which I think you are actually taking, Aquarians, for your happiness and moving into this relationship which actually gives you a lot of happiness. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.